Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit message on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead into your Messenger and log in with your account, of course. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just go ahead and enter the chat that you want to edit the message to. Let's have an example that I want to edit the message on that chat. So let's have an example, hey, right? And I add something. Now I forwarded that message. How do I edit it? First, you gotta make sure that doesn't make sure that the message doesn't go over an hour. So if it does, probably you won't be able to edit that message. If it was a couple minutes ago and you thought like, wow, there's something wrong with that message and you wanted to edit it or miscorrect it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here and hold basically hold the message and then click edit, and then basically delete that message or that part of that message that you want to delete, right? Or that was incorrect, and then forward that message, right? And then basically if you don't want to send it, just go ahead and hold and then click more, and then it's sent and unsent for everyone. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.